AOC 24B2XH 24 Full HD IPS monitor, 3-sided frameless and ultra-slim HDMI and VGA inputs, Lowblue mode, VESA compatible black. AOC 24-inch, 23.8 viewable, Full HD 1920x1080 LED monitor. Streamlined design, 3-sided frameless design with ultra-slim profile for a clean and streamlined look. Vivid imagery, IPS panel for wide viewing angles, and vivid colors with over 100% in sRGB color gamut coverage. Compatible with most outputs, HDMI X1, HDMI cable included, and VGA X1 inputs allow for easy connection to most computers. 5mm audio output built-in for easy connection to your speakers or headphones. For your well-being, AOC Lowblue mode and flicker-free technology helps to reduce harmful blue spectrum of light and remove flicker for more comfortable computing sessions. Flexible mounting options, VESA-compatible mounting points, 100x100mm. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.